Imagine walking into a room, and everyone turns to look, not at your outfit, not at your shoes, but at your arms. Thick, muscular arms that scream strength and power. Now, what if I told you that you could achieve that without lifting a single weight? No gym, no dumbbells, no expensive equipment, just your body and a little determination. If you've ever thought getting massive arms was impossible without weights, then keep watching because you're about to discover the 5 most effective bodyweight exercises that will explode your arm size. And trust me, the last one is a game changer. Most people believe that without heavy dumbbells or barbells, building big arms is just a dream. But here's the truth, your body is the best weight you'll ever lift. And if you know how to use it correctly, you can trigger muscle growth just as effectively as lifting weights. In fact, some of the best athletes in the world, gymnasts, calisthenics experts, and street workout legends, have arms bigger than most bodybuilders, and they don't rely on fancy machines. So, if you're ready to transform your arms and make them look like they've been sculpted from stone, stick with me till the end. I promise you won't regret it. The secret behind big arms without weights. Before we dive into the exercises, let's talk about what really builds arm size. It's all about progressive overload. When you train with weights, you increase the weight over time to challenge your muscles. But when you train without equipment, you need to increase the intensity of your exercises. You do this by slowing down your movements, increasing time under tension, and using advanced variations that make your muscles work even harder. Now, let's get into the first exercise. Exercise number 1. The diamond push-up, the arm growth accelerator. If you think push-ups only work your chest, you've been doing them wrong. There's one variation that directly targets your triceps, the muscle responsible for making your arms look massive. It's called the diamond push-up, and it's one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises for arm growth. Here's how you do it. 1. Get into a push-up position, but instead of placing your hands shoulder-width apart, bring them close together to form a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. 2. Lower your chest slowly, keeping your elbows tucked in. 3. Push back up explosively. Now, why is this so effective? The narrow hand placement forces your triceps to do most of the work, and since the triceps make up 2/3 of your arm size, this exercise is crucial for bigger arms. But here's the trick, slow down the movement. The longer your muscles stay under tension, the more they grow. Try lowering yourself in 3 to 5 seconds, pausing at the bottom, then exploding back up. Do this for 15-20 reps, and you'll feel your arms burning like never before. But that's just the beginning. The next exercise will take your arm development to the next level. Exercise number 2. The bodyweight skull crusher, the triceps destroyer. If you've ever seen a skull crusher with weights, you know it's one of the best exercises for triceps growth. But what if I told you that you can do it without weights, and it's even more effective? Enter the bodyweight skull crusher. Find a sturdy surface like a low table, a couch, or even the floor. Here's how to do it. 1. Get into a push-up position but place your hands on an elevated surface with a narrow grip. 2. Keep your elbows tucked in and lower your head toward your hands by bending your elbows. 3. Push yourself back up using only your triceps. This movement isolates the triceps like nothing else and forces them to stretch and contract, leading to massive arm growth. Want to make it harder? Slow it down and use a deeper range of motion. The further you go down, the more you engage the long head of your triceps, the biggest part of your triceps responsible for that thick, horseshoe look. Exercise number 3. The explosive close grip push-up, maximum triceps activation. Imagine being able to hit your triceps so hard that they feel like they're about to pop. That's exactly what this next exercise does. The explosive close grip push-up is a variation of the diamond push-up, but with an added twist. It forces your arms to generate maximum power, leading to insane muscle activation. 1. Start in a diamond push-up position. 2. Lower yourself slowly and then explode upward, lifting your hands off the ground. 3. Land softly and repeat. The explosive movement engages fast twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for size and power. These fibers grow the fastest, which means this exercise is a must if you want crazy big arms. And if you're struggling with this, start by just lifting your palms off the ground slightly, then work your way up to a full hand clap. By now, your triceps should be on fire, but we're not done yet. The next 2 exercises will shock your biceps into growth. Exercise number 4. The reverse push-up. The hidden biceps builder. Most people think push-ups only build your chest and triceps. But what if I told you there's a secret way to target your biceps with just your body weight? It's called the reverse push-up, and it's one of the best kept secrets in bodyweight training. 1. Start in a standard push-up position. 2. Turn your hands outward so that your fingers are pointing toward your feet. 3. As you push up, focus on pulling with your biceps instead of just pushing with your triceps. This subtle change shifts the tension directly onto your biceps, forcing them to contract and grow. Want to make it harder? Elevate your feet or slow down the movement to increase time under tension. The longer your muscles stay engaged, the bigger they'll get. And now, it's time for the final exercise, the king of bodyweight biceps movements. Exercise number 5. The isometric flex hang. The biceps breaker. If you want thicker, stronger, and bigger biceps, this exercise will blow your mind. The isometric flex hang is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to build massive biceps using just your body weight. Find a doorway, a low bar, or any sturdy surface you can grip. Here's what you do. 1. Grip the surface with your palms facing you. 2. Pull yourself up slightly and hold the position where your biceps are fully flexed. 3. Stay in that position for as long as possible. Why is this so effective? Because holding a muscle under tension forces it to recruit more muscle fibers, leading to insane growth. It's the same reason gymnasts have such massive biceps. They spend a ton of time holding their muscles in a flexed position. Try this at the end of your workout and aim for 3 to 4 sets of 30-60 seconds. Your biceps will feel like they're going to explode, and over time, they'll grow bigger than ever. Final words. Your 30-day challenge now. Here's the challenge. Do these 5 exercises consistently for the next 30 days, and you'll see a transformation in your arms that you never thought possible. The best part? No gym, no equipment, just your body. So, are you ready to shock your arms into growth? Start today, and in just a few weeks, you'll be flexing with arms that look like they belong to a superhero. Let me know in the comments which exercise you're going to try first. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful bodyweight workouts. See you in the next one.